Hi guys! Today I would like to show you guys another baking recipe, which is cranberry oatmeal cookies. My son really love it. Can you see his reaction? Okay, let's start. We're gonna need 140 grams cranberries, 60 grams oats, 70 grams brown sugar, 105 grams all-purpose flour, 67 grams butter, half teaspoon baking soda. You can have vanilla extract if you want to. At first, I wanna mix all dry ingredients including all-purpose flour, baking soda, and oats. Then chop the cranberries into small pieces. Beat the butter. Remember to leave the butter at room temperature. Then add the brown sugar and beat until everything combines and become fluffy. Add egg. If you want to use vanilla extract, you can add at this time. Then beat it. If it splashes too much, you can use spatula. Then you can beat again. The more you beat, the chewier the cookies will be. Add the dry mixture. Then chop cranberries. Use spatula to make it neat. Prepare baking tray. Then I use ice cream scoop to scoop the batter. If you don't have ice cream scoop, you also can use spoon. Now we bring to bake in preheat oven at 190 Celsius in 10 to 15 minutes till it turns golden brown. This is our result. After baking, lay all the cookies on a rack and then set it aside until it cools down. Thank you for watching my video. If you guys like this recipe, please thumb up and comment below. Subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Bye bye.